All right. So Friday. This is Friday. So Friday we broke above this highs. Left another bullish imbalance with targets with a target at the all-time highs. So we're one time framing up. The last 3 sessions have been value has been shifting higher. See how value is here, then here, then here, not even overlapping for a little bit. So meaning that we are one time framing up with value shifting higher. So on Sunday night when futures open, you see this is Friday, and then Sunday night we open down here with a big gap. Then sellers sold all the way to test June high, and then we found buyers, and now we're back at Friday's value area low. So if we hold inside or above 75.96, if we accept there, which right now seems like we're accepting, if we accept above 75.96, then what should happen is that we should see value area high and a continuation of this move. We have inventory is 100% short, so a correction of that inventory will put us at the close from Friday, but we did correct a little bit on that first initial push Sunday night, but we're still, in comparison to Friday, we are short inventory. So again, correction would do one of those value area sweeps towards the highs at 76.26 is where value area high is. But if we hold below 96, then we have this is a short-term magnet, which is right below 90. This is a 5-day point of control. And then if we lose this this little swing low from the overnight session, I mean, which is right in at the same area as the 5-day point of control, then we are gonna likely make an attempt to take that overnight low. Now the overnight low and the on Friday's lows, they're like nice buying tells. So at those areas I'm gonna be looking for look below and fail. But if we hold below the overnight low, I'll look for that move towards that 20-day point of control, and then from there the same thing, look below and fail, see if we can hold that and then find buyers again. Or if we hold below the low, then that will mean that we're likely gonna test this area where we have that low volume node, we have that untested close, we have value area from this session which hasn't been revisited, and we have the weekly pivot as support here. So this area is going to be support. I'm going to be looking for bounces in here. If that doesn't hold, then this is going to be choppy, in my opinion. We have the weekly, the monthly pivot, the 90-day point of control, the 50 moving average. So this area I don't want to be trading if we are here. I don't know if you can hear that noise, but they're working outside. But anyway, if we get back above Friday's high, that's the most bullish scenario. Then looking for that break to hold. If it holds, then the target for me is a little bit of minor resistance at 76.35, and then the target is 76.58, where that high volume node is. And then, all-time highs are right there, and we have a bunch of targets on the upside, a bunch of levels. The other option is that we immediately sweep through value, test above the highs, and then look above the highs and fail, and then come back again. But I think that once we're up there, there's a likely scenario that we just keep grinding higher, as we've been doing during the summer days. Nasdaq much weaker. This during the overnight session, it broke those two lows and almost filled that gap. Not quite, but almost there. That profile looks ugly as shit. Look at this. It's like a square. It's horrible looking. So I don't know. I don't want anything to do with Nasdaq. Look at that. It's like the same volume at every level pretty much. The only little area to watch is right here above 30,000. 30,000 keeps being an important area for Nasdaq. So if we hold above last week's high, then I will be willing to see if that holds and then look for longs. But for now, this is pretty ugly. Crude slowly accepting prices higher. That double distribution we have now, that's becoming we're filling out those areas with volume. So levels to watch are the 74, the 72, and the 70 high volume nodes as targets. Same thing with gold. There was a double distribution. Now we're just slowly shifting value higher, but that 40-40 is still being an important level to watch to the downside. And then on the upside, if we get back above, we need to get back above 41.20 for this to keep moving higher. But looking like a nicer distribution there for the 20-day point of control, which might start shifting higher slowly. All right. What else? That's about it. We don't have that much going on today. We have some bill auctions, Fed speaking at 12:30, U.S. federal budget at 2 p.m. And then we start having some earnings tomorrow morning. Bank of America, Goldman, Citi, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan. Then we have some inflation numbers. And a bunch of earnings start now, so earnings season coming back. All right, good luck, and remember that volatility is still elevated, so we can still get pretty fast moves out of nowhere. Good luck.